Okay, doing my least favorite thing on this project. Cleaning, vacuuming. Got a steam cleaner for the carpets too. I probably should do that. My sister gave it to me. That room's cleaned. It's the only room I haven't cleaned yet. Always clean. Doing the blinds. Those things are a pain, as we all know. Let's see, what else? Obviously got to get some sort of cleaning product for this stuff. For stains. Still have to turn the water on. Dad's coming over. We're going to check that. Make sure we don't have leaks. Got the cheapest towel rack kit on Amazon because good old box store Home Depot wanted $30 just for that. I got the whole kit for that. Haven't seen this carpet in a while. Well, it's here. And it's funny, I vacuumed. I blew with the vacuum and the heater. And then I shut everything, opened the window, hit the leaf blower, and so much dust still was in here. But most of the carpet was clean. It was all stuck in the heaters. But the leaf blower, that's the way to vacuum and clean. That is the way to do it, folks. All right, keep going. All right, I'm cleaning like a madman. I just hit my head on that light. Little light steel wool took care of that. It's going to be real fine steel wool, otherwise you scratch. But yeah, this is what I'm hitting my head on, this stupid thing I put back. Let's go look at this living room. I just wiped down the walls. It's just all plaster dust. See if you can see it here. It's not so bad, actually. I guess because I did leaf blow in here, but yeah, I got like smear mark. I'm going to wipe everything down. It's just and then I think I've got a steamer. Maybe I'll do the rugs. This clean in a long time. Okay, I think I had enough though. Fridge needs to be turned on at some point. That would be good. Clean, clean, clean. Tired. I wiped this down. Well, maybe I know I have to hit that again with a towel. I'll do that right now. Then I'm done. Done for the day. So my sister let me borrow this steam cleaner, Bissell. I think the only reason she let me borrow it is because she wants me to clean it. She said the vacuum part of it didn't work very well, and I think I found out why. Look at this thing, it's just clogged with dog hair. Ay, ay, ay. We didn't get the same gene in that pool, I'll tell you that. I would have had this thing spotless if someone was going to borrow it. And I take care of my stuff. All right, let's get this cleaned up. I don't even know how to use this thing. It's got like a reservoir for dirty and clean. I gotta figure out which is which. When I come to think of it, that might be her problem. I don't think this is a vacuum technically. You're just supposed to be using it on a clean carpet to do the steam cleaning. So if you're sucking up dirt and all that, dog hair, there's nowhere for it to go. I don't know, I could be wrong. Wet debris regularly, okay. So this just says fill here. So is that where I put the clean stuff? And where's the dirty stuff go? Oh, it's got like a bladder. Oh, interesting. All right, let's figure this out. All right, according to the interwebs, a translucent dish soap was recommended. I guess the clear, I don't know, does the blue matter? And some vinegar. I think we'll do some household. This is like the strong stuff, so I don't know. We'll do some hot water. think it has a heater in it too, but we'll start with some heat. Now, I probably should have looked at the interweb to see how this works, but it's spinning. Doing something. It's got this pedal, tilts it. That one turns it on. And a trigger up here. Oh, look at that. Left some remnants. Oh, there we go. See all the crap. Or lack thereof. I mean, I did vacuum in here already, so. Wet? Oh yeah, it's kind of wet, damp. That's probably normal though, right? All right, let's try this out. Well, I'd say it's doing something. That's on the bottom, I guess. So you fill up the bag, and the bag slowly gets smaller in this filter. So let's do a little more water. I think I have enough soap in there. Trail of debris, so she might be right. This vacuum part of it is. It's spinning. It's not clogged up like the way she gave it to me. Maybe it's full. Let's clean it. Yeah, so I don't know. There's no like fill line on it, but I'm clearly out of water again. And I guess, yeah, it only has so much room. So is that... Oh, yeah. Let's dump it in here. I was going to go in the toilet, but I need to see how dirty it is. Oh, yeah. A lot of paint debris, I'm sure. Plaster and dust. That's really what I wanted to get rid of. Yeah, I don't think she's working right. She's dumping water in here, leaving a pile over there. It's spinning, but it's, yeah, I mean, it's just leaking out right now. Is that normal? I don't borrow stuff usually, you know, but she insisted. And I'm guessing there's something clogged. Judging by all that dog hair, I would not be surprised. So this is going to be cleaned. I don't think that's going to do it though. Ugh. It just doesn't have suction, a good suction. But it's clearly going. This comes off because I had to clean that initially. Let's see. Where do you suck from, sucker? Is that like one of these plugged up ports? Oh, God. All right, I think I figured it out. You want to, I did pull the trigger and you're dumping water, vacuuming. Did the whole floor. Then I came back again, just vacuuming up what it leaves behind. It does leave residual water. Like, this is kind of damp right now. It does not have good suction though. Like, as far as if you have a dog, like, it can't suck that up, but it can suck up water really well. I'm guessing because this is the suction here. Everything goes up this middle. Now, this could be a worn out machine, I don't know, but it felt like it had pretty good suction. But this was clogged when I got it. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it leaves all this crap behind. But other than that, you know, maybe I should have just watched the video on how to use the frickin' thing, do the right thing. And this, you know, clearly isn't maintained, so it could have some other issues. But yeah, I always wanted to get a steam cleaner and try it out. And this worked out pretty good. Floors are a little damp, I would say, but I got the ceiling fan running in the other room. I'll probably just leave that on. And then, it's getting dirt out, that's for sure. Pretty cool little thing. I like it. So go get yourself, I think maybe if you rent one it'd be a lot cleaner, but I don't know, who knows. If it ain't your own, it's not going to be up to your standards. Okie dokie, hello again. I think this might be wrapping up the apartment video. That's what this is going to be. Everything has been done up here that I wanted to do. So, this room we didn't touch really. We did cleaning, vacuuming. That's about it. Kitchen. Does this have a wider? I gotta get the GoPro out of storage, I should say. It's just sitting downstairs. Anyway, yeah, kitchen's clean. Bathroom is, I just gotta make, let's see, I think I'm gonna make a mess. No, I'm just gonna clean that up. I gotta get pictures. That's what I gotta do. I gotta get photos of this so I can get this apartment rented. That is the main goal. Everything looks pretty good except this room over here. I want to do some stuff today and then we're calling. This is the first room I did in here, the one I stripped the wallpaper on. As you can see, yeah, middle of April it snowed, so all my outdoor activities are not getting done today. But looking around in here, I don't even know if you can see it on camera, but all my trim, I got chips and everything. I can't leave that. I gotta touch it up with paint. I don't know why I didn't do that prior, but I think, yeah, even did around the door. This door's good. Probably because I never had it closed, I never noticed. Yeah, just little stuff I gotta touch up. I don't know if it's just dirt. No, it's just like old paint or old wallpaper glue, probably. And I did a quick coat on this door. I might just touch that up. Oh, look at that. There's a dove out on my deck right here. He just waddled on by. See his footprints? I thought I heard doves. They got a nest up here too. This guy's got nests everywhere. They love this house. I don't know why. Talk about distractions and ADD. All right, I'm just gonna get touch up, mate. Maybe I'll show you on a little time lapse. I'm gonna call that, I gotta stop. What this really is about, well,
it needed to be touched up, but I mean, I could keep going. Now that whole baseboard looks yellow to me. I don't know how it looks on camera, but you know, if I'm gonna do that, I can do the ceiling. I should do that door better. That's just the inside of the closet anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But this really is just about me procrastinating. Procrastinating putting this on the market for rent. Because I'm living downstairs, I really just don't want to list it to anybody and have to weed through people, and it's legality too involved. You can't, you know, there's laws, you can't deny people. But so I gotta put the word out to friends and stuff. Make up a listing. I gotta figure out, you know, square footage, what I got here. That giant room, that room, you know, it's got a big old master. So, and a nice new bathroom, nice new bathroom, which that's a good selling point. Kitchen's nice, it is, but yeah, there's no room for a table. I don't know who sits at a kitchen table anymore. I know I don't, but you could fit a little one here, a little two top. Man, this thing just has no looking out this lens, no range, no width. I need more coffee. Like that, you could fit a little two-person table there. That's what I'm getting at. And yeah, this will be a living room. The paint looks awful in here on this camera. It's not that bad, but so yeah, just me procrastinating. I got to get this place listed, and yeah, that's that. Well, I guess I got to wrap up this series. Of all places, where should I do it? How about in the shower? Because that's what this was about. It was about making this bathroom usable again and put it in the shower. I wish I had a cost breakdown. Maybe I'll put one together for you, but it was not $16,000, I'll tell you that. But there is quite a bit of expense you don't think about. I mean, the shower itself, the kit, $700. You know, you got wood, your labor. I don't count my labor. I mean, I should, because if I paid someone to do this, it's done a lot quicker. Sooner I have a tenant, sooner you're making money. But this is a first. This is all first for me, so I didn't do it that way. And plus, I don't like paying people to do things that I can do myself, which is why I did it this way. I'll tell you, $3,000 of it was just paying for a plumber to run pipes and run feed packs and all that. You know, that labor is not cheap anymore, but and you have to have permits for everything nowadays. So that had to be paid for. But so you figure I'm not at 16,000. Am I at half of that? Maybe. I don't think so. No, it's got to be less than that. Maybe $6,000 or something. I don't know. But it can be done. You can do it yourself. You can, if you want to pay, go right ahead. But I just can't do it. I just don't have it in me to pay for things. That's why we're here. That's why we do stuff ourselves. So, yeah. So this is wrapping up the apartment. I'll probably do some follow-ups with getting a tenant, that whole stuff. If anybody's interested in that, because that's all new to me too. And maybe I'll find some new followers out there. Who knows? All right. So we'll do some, let's see, what are we doing now? We're going to do some outdoor activity stuff. I got a bunch of outdoor spring activities to do, so. And then, yeah, maybe you can get the truck out on the road, get the old scooter out on the road, all the old stuff I'm known for, all right? Be good.